How to fix error code E87 on Steam. Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to fix Steam error code. Here what you could do is, first of all, you could actually go ahead and verify the game file. So what you need to do is, over here you want to locate Steam, right click on the mouse and go to open file location. As you open file location, here you want to go ahead and right click, and next you want to do is local So first of all, you could verify the game file. First thing, open up Steam, and then you want to go ahead and locate library. As you go to library section, what next you want to do is, here you want to go and locate the particular game that you're having issue with. Right click and go to properties. As you go to properties, what next you want to do is, here you want to go to local files and make sure to go ahead and click on verify integrity of a game file. That's going to help you out to fix it so as well. Despite that, the other thing you also want to do is come to Steam from the top left hand side corner. Go ahead and click on check for update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version as well. Now then, you want to close this tab, and then you also want to restart your PC and see that should be able to fix the issue all at once. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, you also want to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, or try restarting or refreshing the network as well. That could also be able to fix. Despite that, the other thing you also want to do is open or locate Roblox Steam application. Right click and go to open file location. The next thing you also want to do is right click once again, go to properties, and then you want to come to compatibility tab. Make sure that run this program in a compatibility mode is selected, and run this program as an administrator. As you've done it, so click on apply and click the OK button. This is going to help you out. The other thing, if this issue still persists on, then the last alternative is to reinstall Steam. Open the search bar, type in control panel. Do is click on uninstall a program. Locate Steam, right click and go to uninstall a program. That's going to help you out to fix it. So this is how you could fix error code E87 on Steam. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.